Would you rather have your code look like this or like this? Dependency injection. No, it isn't actually that scary. What does it mean? To understand dependency injection, let's talk about hamburgers. What? No. If you want a hamburger, you need a bun, patty, toppings, all of which are dependencies to a hamburger. They're really going to affect that taste function. So in code, that might look something like this. But every time you want to make a hamburger, first you have to do all this work just to put it together. What if instead of making a hamburger, you would order one? Wherever you go, we'll train an employee, so all you have to do is just go up and order a burger. That is what dependency injection's like. You don't have to make it every time you want to use it. You just say, give me one. Here, we're going to assemble everything on our own. We make a new one of every object. In this example, it's going to get provided to us. All we say is, go get me that burger. But how does it work? Interfaces, a dependency injection container, and implementations. Interfaces are like the basic steps of your recipe. They'll be the same no matter what. Implementations tell exactly how you execute your interface. The dependency injection container, also referred to as a DI container or container, holds a mapping of interfaces and implementations. It's almost like your cookbook. It holds all the steps. Dependency injection will use these to inject our dependencies into a constructor. This is called constructor injection and is the most common. Using the service collection, we're going to add in all the interfaces with the concrete types and build out a service provider. That service provider is a DI container that we can ask for our burgers. Now they can give us what we want when we want it. First we train the DI container, second we start the shift, and then finally we ask for a hamburger. Now you understand dependency injection. But what if we want to change our order? What if we don't always want the same burger? That's where dependency injection really starts to shine. Dependency injection will allow us to change our steps without refactoring all of our code. Want more burgers? Dependency injection? Check out the video on dependency injection best practices.